The Klaxon CS8 Siren. This one is looking in good condition considering how long it's been here. This is the reason why I am here to film it being tested today, because I stand a better chance of filming a siren that is in full working order. But looks are sometimes deceiving. Carstairs is in Scotland in the UK. There is a secure hospital called the State Hospital, which is similar to Broadmoor. There are 9 sirens which are installed in nearby towns and villages to warn of a missing patient. Today I am at Carstairs Junction. These sirens are tested on the 3rd Thursday of each month. It's a breezy day and the time is coming up to 1 PM, testing time. The shutter on the left didn't open. No air can enter the rotor, causing a muffled noise. The shutter on the right is permanently jammed open. This is a mechanical issue, as the shutters have a return spring to shut them when the siren is not running. In the next video sequence, see if you can work out what the problem might be with the side where the shutter doesn't open. To see inside the shutter mechanism and how these shutters open and close, click the video in the top left or see the video description. Thank you for watching.
I don't think they would though.
Just seal, rubber seals on.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's more complicated than I thought it was.